Hi everyone, I am Sandhya, Department of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about the Z transform using partial fraction. That is the inverse Z transform using partial fraction. So here see some basic problems for the partial fraction. So inverse Z transform by using the partial fraction method. Find the inverse Z transform of Z square plus Z divided by Z minus 1 into Z square plus 1. Next, what is given? Whatever it is we given, we take it is a f of z. So given one is Z square plus Z divided by Z minus 1 Z square plus 1. Next, we have to replace, that is, so here z square plus 1, so it is what we have to take. First one is az divided by z minus 1, second one is bz square, this is the z square plus c of z divided by z square plus 1. Next we have to taking the LCM, z minus 1 is a square plus 1, so a is z square plus 1 plus b is a square plus c is z into z minus 1. Next we have to substituting the value of z value, that is z equal to 1, and equating the coefficient of z cube and equating the coefficient of z. So here what is that? We have to substitute z equal to 1. The answer is z equal to 1. So the left hand side is 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to what is that? 1 plus 1 2 into a, the remaining one is 0. So here 2 get cancelled, the a value is 1. Next equating the z cube coefficient. So z cube is the left hand side is 0. In this right hand side only occur in the, so here see, z is a z cube, okay, a z cube, and b z cube. So a and b only occur. So a plus b equal to 0. Similarly, we have comparing, so in this z. So the left hand side is 1. So 1 equal to a z plus that is minus c. Okay. So next. So we have to, similarly we have to replace a, you know the a values, 1 plus b equal to 0, so the b value is minus 1. Then we have to know the c value, we have to find the c value using the a value. The value is c is 0, then we have to substitute a, b value is here. So after that f of z equal to z divided by z minus 1 minus z square divided by z square plus 1. Okay, next we have to taking z inverse on both side. So z inverse on both side. So this is the formula, whatever it is, this is sum. So here see, that is z inverse of z divided by z minus a, that is a power n. So here a is 1, so here 1 power n. Okay, so here the a is 1 power n, so 1 power n. Here also we using z square divided by z square plus 1, that is minus cos n pi by 2. Okay, so here the 1 minus cos n pi by 2. Similarly, we have to see the another problem. Find the inverse of z transform of z cube divided by z minus 1 the whole square into z minus 2. Here also we take f of z. So in this numerator only z square term. So in this z cube is split up into z square into z. In this z, take it into left hand side. It is a numerator. So it become the left hand side f of z divided by z equal to z square divided by z minus 1 the whole square into z minus 2. Next we have to use a divided by z minus 1 plus b divided by z minus 1 the whole square plus c divided by z minus 2. Next taking the LCM on both sides. So the value z cube is in this left hand side is same, but the right hand side is a into z minus 1 into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 2 plus c into z minus 1 the whole square. In this denominator of the left hand side and the right hand side get cancelled. So one equation is occur. In this equation we have to substitute z value. Z value is 1 and z value is 2. Then z value is 0. We get the a, b, c value. In this a, b, c value, here we want to substitute a, b, c value is here. Where we want to substitute, 1 minute. So here we want to substitute a, b value. Okay. So then after that this equation is came, that is this equation came. Next, taking z inverse of, okay, z inverse of, next z inverse of z inverse of z inverse of. So next, using the formula, we get the answer is z inverse of z divided by z minus 1 minus z inverse of z divided by z minus 1 whole square plus 4 into z minus 2. So the answer is 1 power n. Okay, you want to see it is a minus 3 power minus 1 power n minus n plus 4 into 3 power n using the same formulas. Those are final answer is 4 into 2 power n minus 3 minus n. So similarly we have to prove the these problems also. Thank you.